You can use light key frequencies to heal and prosper. Benefits include improved sense of well-being, clarity, peace, and abundance. Join today to embrace your divinity.
Hey, how are you today?
I am doing okay.
Okay, cool. Okay,
I actually had gone for a mammogram a few days back,
okay,
and the doctors have said that the the tumor doesn't look good. It looks malignant. I will be going for a PET scan tomorrow, and I did a biopsy yesterday. So I'm going through a lot of stress right now.
okay. Fair enough. Okay. Can you bring up the energy? All that energy, okay? So, if you don't have a label that this is fear, anxiety, what would that be? If there is no label, what would that be? You don't
Joy,
see.
happiness.
So energy is energy, and we put a label, okay, on it. So how about transmuting this energy into light and lightness and joy, and then allow the body to flourish in that energy? Yeah. So can you bring up all that you are going through, all that is keeping your body restricted, constricted, dense and intense? Okay, so let's bring in light matrix. Light matrix is an element of the universe that we use quite a lot in light key wellness system. We are going to use light matrix commands. Okay, so other practitioners feel free to contribute to Alicia by chanting the light matrix command. Okay, so light matrix, clear, cancel and transmute all this into light and lightness. Light matrix, clear, cancel and transmute all this into light and lightness. Light matrix, clear, cancel and transmute all this into light and lightness. Let's do 11 times. Light matrix, clear, cancel and transmute all this into light and lightness. Light matrix, clear, cancel and transmute all this into light and lightness. Light matrix, clear, cancel and transmute all this into light and lightness. Light matrix, clear, cancel and transmute all this into light and lightness. Light matrix, clear, cancel and transmute all this into light and lightness. Light matrix, clear, cancel and transmute all this into light and lightness. Light matrix, clear, cancel and transmute all this into light and lightness. Light matrix, clear, cancel and transmute all this into light and lightness. Light matrix, clear, cancel and transmute all this into light and lightness. Hopefully this is more than 11. Let's do some more. So light matrix, instill light and lightness across my body. Light matrix, instill light and lightness across the body. Light matrix, instill light and lightness across the body. Okay, now Alicia, call waves of kindness. Just call waves of kindness, okay?
Yes.
Allow it to engulf your body. Allow it to flow through any intensity, density that you have in the body. Just be that flow. And allow it to flow through any solidification you have, buying into the diagnosis. Okay, so buying into all these forms. Okay? If there is any solidification, just allow waves of kindness to flow through that. Flow through that. And if we have JBP practitioners, can you please send JBP to Alicia? And some of you who haven't done JBP, if you have done BPC, can you send golden kindness key through Alicia's body? And let go of your projections, your expectations on Alicia and her body, how she should be feeling, etc. Just be the allowance. Waves of kindness. And anyone who doesn't have any experience with light key system, you can simply call waves of kindness and flow through Alicia's body. Okay, how are you feeling, Alicia?
Feeling good. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Welcome. I am going to prescribe you something. Okay, if you go to Nila Mystic TV, we have many JBP sessions in the video. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So they are about 15-20 minutes long. Run them repeatedly.
Okay.
You
Okay.
don't have to listen to them. You don't have to sit and watch them. Just
Okay.
run them repeatedly. JBP is a Joyous Body Protocol.
JBP. Okay.
And then we have a free healing group. Okay.
Okay.
So if you go to infinitehealing.co.uk, you can request healing.
Okay.
So we have group healing on Tuesday, and we also do one-to-one or
Okay.
group healing for individual as well. So
Okay.
you can request.
Okay.
So go from there, okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
just be and breathe through everything that comes up. If that is becoming difficult when you are being in the middle of the fear and worry, just switch on the JBP. It will really help.
JBP.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'll do that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Be
Thank
well.
you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank
guys.
you, everyone.
Okay. Thanks, guys. Take care. I will see you in another call. Bye-bye.